Good morning, students. Today we will start our new topic, right angle triangles and Pythagoras property. So Pythagoras property hold when the triangle is a right angle. Alright. So this is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle is that triangle in which measure of one angle is of 90 degree. जिस ट्रायंगल के विच एक एंगल का मेजर 90 डिग्री का होगा, दैट एंगल इज राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, एंड दिस प्रॉपर्टी, Pythagoras property, always hold in this right angle triangle. So the sides of this right angle triangle having some special names. So the first is the side opposite to the right angle. The side opposite to this right angle is called hypotenuse. This one. The right angle is at point B and the side opposite to this angle B is named AC, and this AC is called hypotenuse. This AC is called hypotenuse, and the other two sides are called legs of the right angle triangle. The other two sides are AB and BC are called the legs of LEGS, legs of right angle triangle. Alright, and you can call one side as perpendicular and the other as base. Clear? Okay? So there are three sides in right angle triangle. The side opposite to this right angle is hypotenuse, and the other two sides in which one of them is a perpendicular and the other is base. So what is the Pythagoras property? The property is this. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So the property is the square of the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is here AC. So the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum means you have to add, plus sum of the square of other two sides. So which are the other two sides? AB and BC. So first you can square them, after that add. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is what? Hypotenuse, and AB and BC are the two legs of the right angle triangle. And one thing more, the hypotenuse is always greater than the other two sides. जो hypotenuse होगी हमेशा other two sides से क्या होंगी? Greater होंगी. All right. Suppose there is a triangle. Measure of this AB is 3 centimeter. Measure of this BC is 4 centimeter. So you have to find the length of hypotenuse, which is AC. So the AC is greater than 3 and 4 because the hypotenuse is always greater than the other two sides, and this side is of measure 3 centimeter and the measure of this BC is 4 centimeter. Therefore the measure of AC is greater than both of these two sides. So we can find measure of AC. So you can see here AC square is equal to AB square. So measure of AB is 3 square plus measure of BC is how much? 4. So put it here 4. Now 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16, 25. So AC square is equal to 25. Now when you take this square on the right hand side, जब तुम इस स्क्वायर को राइट हैंड साइड लेके जाओगे, then it becomes under root. It becomes under root of that number. All right. So the number is here 25, and 25 square root is how much? Square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So how can you find it? First you can find the prime factors of this 25. Prime factors, which already done in previous classes. So the 25 goes in Table of 5. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5. So there are only two prime factors. So which one? 5 5. So how can you find the square root? So you can take the number in pairs. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ square root find ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ numbers ਦੇ pairs check ਕਰੋਗੇ. Pairs means 2. So you can see here 5 comes how many times? 2 times. So 5 comes in pair. So when you take it out outside of the square root, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ square root ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਲਿਖੋਗੇ so it becomes only 5. ठीक है, अगर कोई टर्म 2 times आता square root ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਹਰ ਆ ਕੇ single time ਲੈ ਜਾਓਗੇ only one time. So it becomes 5 only. It means the length of hypotenuse AC is of measure 5 centimeter. So you can see here this 5 is greater than other two sides. So this is our Pythagoras property. So now let's start the example. This is your next example number 5. Determine whether the triangle whose length of sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter is a right angle triangle or not. So we can first draw a roughly triangle, alright, and name it PQ1, right angle at point Q. So out of the three sides, 3, 4 and 5, so which is the largest side? This one, 5 centimeter. So we can take length of hypotenuse as 5 centimeter because the hypotenuse is always greater than the other two sides. So that's why take hypotenuse as 5 centimeter. Now what is the Pythagoras property? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. If this condition satisfied, then Pythagoras, then this is a right, then this side is of right angle triangle. Clear? So hypotenuse is 5. You can write here hypotenuse square means 5 square is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So the length of first side is 3 and the other side is 4. So we can check that this condition satisfied or not. So 5 square is how much? 25. 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. Now 25 is equal to 9 plus 16 25. So you can see here on left hand side and right hand side both of the values are same. That's why this length of side 3, 4 and 5 centimeter is of right angle triangle. So answer is yes. So this is example number 5. Next, this is example number 6. Triangle ABC is a right angle at C if AC is equal to 5 centimeter and BC is equal to 12 centimeter. Find the length of AB. So again, first draw a roughly triangle and name it ABC. Which right angle at which point? C point. So take this point as C. Right here A and here B. So the triangle ABC is right angle at C. So side opposite to this right angle is AB. So AB is our hypotenuse. So the measure of AC is of 5 centimeter. This one AC is 5 centimeter and BC is 12 centimeter. This one base. So the length of the other two legs of this right angle triangle is of measure 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So we have to find the length of AB. AB is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So how can we find the hypotenuse? So again same formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. Or you can say sum of the square of perpendicular and base. So the other two sides are AC square and this one is BC square. So we can find the measure of AB. Now AB square is equal to AC square. Measure of AC is 5. So we put here 5 plus measure of BC is 12 centimeter. Now 5 square 25, 12 square 144. So now add these numbers. 25 plus 144. So it is 169. So now you can see here the number is here 169. So 169 is a perfect square or not? Or you can take this square on right hand side, so it becomes under root, or you can say square root. Clear? Or the other step is you can see here the 169 is the perfect square of which number? So 169 is the perfect square of 13. So you can write here AB square is equal to 13 square like this. Clear? So you can see here on both its side the power is at 2. Power is same, so you can cancel this power 2. ठीक है, जो equal to the left hand side and right hand side. When the power is same on both hand side, then you can cancel their powers. Suppose here power is 3 and here power is also 3. Now then you cancel 3. But in this condition the power is here 2, so you cancel this 2. So what is AB? AB is 13 centimeter. It means the length of this hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. And check here, this 13 centimeter is greater than this 5 and 12. So this is the length of AB. And this three sides, length of these three sides 5, 12 and 13, also called as Pythagorean triplet. Clear? 5, 12 and 13. These three numbers are the Pythagorean triplet, which satisfy in the right angle triangle. Clear, students? So this is the example number 6. Now let's start this exercise 6.5. Thank you.